This is how to work smart with dates in Microsoft Excel. In this cell, I have a starting date of January 1st, 2023. I select that cell and double click the fill handle. Excel is so smart enough to generate a list of dates based on the starting date and stop on the last cell containing data within that data range. In this other cell, I have a starting date of January 1st, 2023, but the second date is the 5th of January 2023. If I select both cells together and also double click the fill handle, Excel will generate a list of dates based on the interval between the first date and the second date. But what if you want to generate a list of dates for the next 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or 5 months? Let me show you how to do that real quick. So all you have to do is select your starting dates, go to the Home tab, Editing section, Fill, Series, select the column option, your step value as 1, and your stop value based on the number of months you want to generate. Let's generate dates for the next 3 months. Then I click on OK, and boom, you can see it's going to generate a list of dates based on my what or my stop month. You can also do the same thing for what? For interval of dates. Found this useful? Give it a thumbs up, follow and subscribe for more.